What's going on, y'all? So we just received a package from Tesery for some alloy brake covers, aluminum alloy brake covers, caliper covers to be specific. So if you'll see down here, we've got the rear wheel assemblies complete with hardware, and we have the forward caliper assemblies complete with hardware. It also comes with the Tesla stickers, so it looks real nice over the top of the caliper. So now we're going to go ahead and install our left side rear caliper. I'm only going to do one side for sake of time. You don't want to watch me redo the same thing both times. So you have these clips that go on there. You'll notice that they are labeled L4, L5. That means it goes on the left hand side. This came out of the rear wheel accessory pack. These clips, you see the contour. That is because they're going to go here. See how that lays real nicely right in there. Once it tightens up, it'll make this good and tight. Don't drop the caliper. So we're learning as we go. So what we're going to do this time, and I think this would actually be helpful to you to see me kind of fail here as we go, is I'm going to go ahead and put the hardware kind of loosely mounted here. What that's going to allow me to do now, since it's just kind of on there by imagination, now it's seated very easily, very nicely. Handy dandy provided Allen key, and we're off to the races. Now I'm only going to snug this because I still have to do the bottom. Get that in place. Now this is much easier because the top is already in place to get started. All right, so that was a fail. So we're just going to go ahead and start this one as well. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I actually used to wrench on things, but not so much anymore. Sit behind a desk. All right, again, go back on. All right, so not so pro tip, go ahead and get the hardware seated up. Experience tip. Tighten her up, all while holding to make sure that it doesn't move out of place. And voila. All right, so now we're doing the left front caliper. So I'm going to put the back caliper on first. This needs to slide in with this nut down. So I'm going in here. And I continue to drop hardware. So there's a part on the back side of the caliper there that these clips are going to hook to. And when you get it aligned just right, you'll be right in. This is probably the most difficult part of this install so far. It's not hard if you know. It just took a little bit of time for me to kind of look around here and make sure that it was grabbing onto something. Now we're going to do the same on the bottom. You see this is going in just like this, sliding in, hooking onto the inside of the caliper. If you don't do these rear ones first, it'd be really hard to get these aligned, because you do have to finagle just a little bit and hold your tongue right. while I'm doing this, Rosie, the Model Y, wanted to make sure that we told everyone that it's winter, and she normally takes better care of herself than this, but she's dirty. So now on to the front part of the caliper. You've got these black pieces that come with it. You'll see on the caliper itself, it has these indentions. This is going to seat just like that, and it's going to hold again to the inside of the caliper, just like that. Joins up really nice in the insert. And for this one, because it's tight, you got this long Allen wrench, but they also gave this short neck one so you can get in here and tighten this up. So start it with your fingers and then use the short Allen. Front and rear are done. Nothing is scraping. So I'm very pleased with the look and the fit. That looks very good. If you'd like your very own, click the link in the description at Tesery. Use our code so you get the discount. Pretty easy install, even though I made it look difficult. But once you go through it, it's easy and anyone can do it. If you'd like to see more Tesla content, click the link above.